Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and today we're taking a look at the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro wireless earphones from Anker. And just a quick disclaimer, these earphones were sent out for review from Anker, however they haven't been sent a copy of this video before you guys are watching it, so everything in this video is my own thoughts and opinions, and they're going to see it the same time you are. Now most of you will know Anker for their amazing mobile device cables they offer, from braided lightning cables to superior strong USB Type-C cables. But they've also gotten into sound with their wireless headphone and earbud range. The Liberty 2 Pro earphones are their most premium on offer, with a starting price of $139.99. Now they come in both black and white, and I've got a ton of great features, so let's take a look. Starting off with the design, these are some very unique earbuds. They have multiple levels to them, and if you get the white models, you also get some nice transparency. You have some subtle lighting on the earphones for pairing and battery levels, and a nice design of the driver itself with this gold tint to it. Speaking of sound, here we have an 11mm driver to help with the low end and bass, a customised Knowles Balance amateur driver to produce some great high ends and some very natural sound. All in all, you have what they are calling the Astria Coaxial Acoustic Architecture, which is recommended by 10 Grammy Award winning audio producers. Basically, they sound really good, but we'll get into the sound test in just a moment. You also have 4 microphones for clear voice calls at your end when making phone calls. Now, having tested this, they do sound good, not necessarily as good as your standard phone microphone, but for something over Bluetooth up by your ear, it is also very clear. And to get the perfect sound with earbuds, you need the perfect fit. Well, the Liberty 2 Pros come with a ton of ear tips and ear wings to get that ceiling comfort for those long listening sessions. The charging case is also nice, with a very nice slide motion to the compact design. It charges via USB Type-C or wireless Qi charging, and offers 2 hours of playback with only a 10-minute charge using the included cable. But overall battery life is around 32 hours, which is incredible. Now you have 8 hours from a full charge, and the case tops up the earbuds 4 times before running out of juice. Pairing the headphones is easy, just place the earbuds in the case and open it, and they will appear in your Bluetooth menu to pair. Now while you have your phone out, go ahead and download the Soundcore app from either the Play Store or the App Store. Here you can take advantage of Soundcore's Hear ID to personalise the sound. If you want more bass, boosted vocals, or just a preset for dance, rock, or R&B, then you have the choice plus a ton more. It's a really great app to customise the sounds you're liking, and it's got a ton of features to it, so I definitely recommend checking it out. Now I always like when companies do have an application to go alongside their headphones. It basically gives you a little bit more customizability, and just in general allows you to tailor the sound to your liking. And the actual sound of the earphones is great. Now I've used the Liberty 2 Pro for listening to a ton of music genres, from heavy metal to pop, and even some acoustic sessions in between. The bass is there, but maybe a little bit too much in some cases, but again you can adjust this within the Soundcore app. I also used them for watching videos and a little bit of gaming to see how the latency was, and to be honest guys, these have the lowest latency of any wireless headphones that I've tried. It's basically 1-to-1 with the sound and visuals, so if you want to catch up on some YouTube on the train from Copper vs Glass, then the sound will be in line with the video, which can't be said for a lot of wireless headphones. And that's going to do it guys for this video. Now I can definitely recommend these earbuds, and if you want to check out the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pros, they're going to be linked in that description down below. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up down below, and if you've got any questions or comments about this or anything else on the channel, then leave a comment in the comments section or get hold of me on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. If you're not already subscribed, hit that button below, and also turn on notifications so you're notified anytime I upload a video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.